The lure of the global individual dreams in a connected world. The world is a web. We are connected. Through technology, ideas travel fast. Our choices multiply. We are no longer bound by geography. Individualism thrives in this environment. We explore, we discover, we define ourselves. Our aspirations reach beyond borders. This is the allure of the global. Yet this global embrace can feel overwhelming. We crave connection but fear losing ourselves. This tension shapes our modern world. The comfort of the hive identity in the microcosm. Humans are social creatures. We seek belonging. This is where the microcosm thrives. Our families, communities, traditions, these are our hives. Within these hives we find identity. Shared stories and rituals bind us. We learn the rhythms of our culture. We understand our place in the world. This sense of belonging is powerful. It offers security and meaning, but it can also lead to insularity. We must be careful not to let our hives become cages. When worlds collide, global forces meet local traditions. Globalization is not new. Empires rose and fell, spreading ideas and goods, but the scale and speed of change today are unprecedented. This creates friction. Local traditions clash with global trends. Economic forces disrupt communities. Cultural homogenization looms large. This friction can lead to unrest and uncertainty. It challenges our sense of self and belonging, but it also presents opportunities for innovation and adaptation. Finding harmony, navigating the space between. The key lies in balance. We must embrace the opportunities of globalization, but we must also protect the richness of our local cultures. This requires understanding and empathy. We must listen to different perspectives. We must build bridges, not walls. The future depends on our ability to navigate this complex landscape. We must find harmony between individual aspirations and collective well-being. This is the challenge and the promise of our interconnected world.